sidewalk plow?
Yeah, if it gets snowing.
Well, it's to help them identify the raised spots and the places where the
bumps are.
Yeah.
That's
In a hurry there, buddy?
Oh,
Holy shit!
Jesus, Murphy!
You just passed me?
Yeah. What an asshole!
Holy. Ah, fuck! You could have fucking gone. Now you go and you cut. Oh my god. What a frickin' loser. Oh, go ahead. You're going. Jesus. Jesus. Holy fuck. Whoa, wrong lane there, buddy. Oh, it's the light changes? Holy cow. Okay, who's gonna run the light? Well, there's one. You're not gonna run that light, are you? Holy shit. That's a red light you could have stopped for, lady. Holy shit. Nice red light there, buddy. Holy shit.
That guy just went through a red light.
Yep, we sure did. Holy fuck, buddy. Holy shit. Come on over now.
And in a manger, cold and dark,
Holy fuck.
Mary's little boy.
That's a stop sign there, lady.
Born.